If each snowflake differs, and lonely snowdrops bow to a tainted sun, then love thou's gone with parting swallows will surely return. Nothing so balanced as the tears to end life's forever precious fun. To stand alone, like the oak, amidst winter storms, when flowers fall to nearing gloom. There are no seasons with a broken heart, no harvest of kisses when one touches spring. Then, to witness a smile that only you could bring, with the elegance and charm as sweet as the melody from the instrument you string, and eyes so warming, love's new germination begins. In dear eyes and gifted smile, I can't rob myself of you and the kisses you sing. The silky hair and the body to tempt, our time together, heavenly lent. To meet again is chastely meant. Hope is a rainbow between sunshine and rain. Dreams are the pictures of seeing you again. Warm, silent kisses are the dreams of a passionate kingdom. In my dreams, I'm with you again.